Hi, this is Alex from Bright Path Estate Planning, and this is just a quick video to explain what happens in the initial consultation. So if you're watching this, you probably already booked on an appointment with me, in which case I'm really happy and I look forward to meeting you. Otherwise, if you haven't booked already, then please do so. It's free of charge and it's very simple to do. You just have to click on the link and it shows you all my availability. So the first thing that we will discuss during the consultation is we will simply talk through your circumstances. So we will talk about your family setup, what it is that you want to happen in the future. We will also discuss any concerns that you might have, also your financial position, so your assets and any liabilities. So then I've got the full picture of your objectives and your circumstances. From then I will guide you through your options. So we will discuss what it is that you can do to achieve your objectives. It also includes advice on potential claims against your estate and inheritance tax implications. And everything will be discussed and explained in a simple way, so then you feel very confident in the options that you have. At the end of the meeting, we will summarize all the options that you have, and I will provide you with a quote for any work if, for example, I recommend that you put in place a will or lasting powers of attorney. And then it's entirely up to you whether you want to go ahead. If you decide not to go ahead, then that's absolutely fine. This is a no obligation, no pressure meeting at all. So if you decide not to go ahead, that's absolutely fine. But I still hope that it will be useful for you, even if you decide not to put in place any documents at that stage. Before we meet, it will be helpful for you to have a think about a couple of key issues, just so you are more prepared, and then you can basically make the most out of our time together. So the first thing that you should really consider is what it is that you want to happen. So if something happened to you, where would you like your assets to go? Who would you trust to look after your affairs if you are unable to do so? Is there anyone in your family or friends perhaps that you want to protect through because of a vulnerability like disability or addiction or anything like that? Is there any difficult situations like that that you would like to consider? Or perhaps is there somebody that you want to exclude from your will? Again, we can discuss that in more detail as well. So those are the main two things that you need to consider. Obviously, they are very broad subjects that we will discuss the details of. So I hope that this has been helpful. And like I said before, everything that we will discuss will be put plainly and in the simple language. So hopefully you will feel more confident about what you want to do. If you do have any queries, or if I haven't answered any questions that you still might have before the meeting, then please do get in touch and I will try my best to respond to those questions. But in the meantime, I look forward to meeting you soon.